Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This will be a Ryzen 7 2700X and 1080 Ti build. Recently I have made a video for Ryzen 7 2700X and 1080 Ti. That was for approx 2,50,000 rupees. However, this build would have the same components, a little bit of changes, and that would cost you only 1,50,000 rupees. If in case you want to check out the 2.5 lakh build, I will share the link in the description box below. You can go ahead and check out that video. Let me take you through the component details for today's build and then we will assemble the PC. So let's start with the component details. For the cabinet, we have got Circle Infernova X. This is RGB cabinet and it has dual tempered glass and the price is 8,000 rupees. For the processor, we have got AMD Ryzen 7 2700X. This is 8-core 16-thread processor and comes with beautiful RGB stock cooler. The price is 29,900 rupees only. For the motherboard, we have got MSI X470 Gaming Plus. This is available for 13,500 rupees. And for the RAM, we have got G-Skill Trident Z RGB RAM. This is a 16GB kit, 8x2, and this is 3000 MHz. This is available for 16,000 rupees. For graphic card, we have got Inno3D GTX 1080 Ti. This is 11GB and available for 62,000 rupees. By the way, Inno3D is a very good brand and you can definitely consider this brand. And for the power supply, we have got Cooler Master MWE750. This is gold certified and fully modular, available for 7,900 rupees. For SSD, we have got Samsung 860 EVO M.2. This is 250GB and available for 6,999 rupees. For more storage, we're gonna use Seagate Barracuda 2TB hard drive. This is available for 4,800 rupees only. As our motherboard doesn't have inbuilt Wi-Fi, so we're gonna use a TP-Link Wi-Fi dongle and this is available for 450 rupees. That's about the component detail for this build. All the product link would be mentioned in the description box below. Also, you'll get a dedicated video for this cabinet. If you wish to buy this cabinet and you want a dedicated video for this cabinet, I will share the video link for this cabinet. Let's start the assemble process. The CPU fan heatsink comes with pre-applied thermal paste, so you really don't have to add additional thermal paste. Right, we're done with the PC assemble and it is working absolutely fine. 16 gig of RAM has been installed. If you want to do video editing in Premiere Pro and that to 4K, so make sure you add another 16 gigs of RAM. Talking about the benchmark, I have not made any benchmark because I know pretty much every game it will able to play up to 4K. So if you have any questions regarding this PC or any other PC, do comment down below. I would love to answer them. If in case you want to purchase any of the components, all the product link would be in the description box below. You can go ahead and purchase the product from there. And also follow me on Instagram for latest update of our channel. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. Thank you for watching. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye.